YouHodler Crypto Invest Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think investing in crypto is risky and complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when a platform lets you earn interest, take loans, and trade security in one place. YouHodler is a crypto investment platform offering lending, interest accounts, trading, and multi-currency wallets. Users can earn interest on crypto holdings, borrow against assets, and access a suite of financial tools. The surprising truth about YouHodler is that it bridges traditional finance and crypto, providing flexibility for earning and leveraging digital assets without selling them. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto platforms are unregulated or unsafe. YouHodler offers advanced security features like cold storage, two-factor authentication, and compliance with regulatory standards to protect funds. YouHodler is best for investors who want to maximize crypto earnings, access liquidity through loans, or diversify into crypto-backed financial products. The surprising truth is that with proper knowledge and risk management, crypto platforms like YouHodler can be the safe and productive part of your financial strategy. Subscribe for more honest crypto and investment platform reviews to make smarter money decisions.